nurse trying to take your career overseas? And a question that you might have faced several times would be, which country will be the best for your career growth and overall living? Well, hello everyone, I am Priyanka and welcome to Academically. Nursing is a noble profession and choosing the right country can make all the difference in your career. Am I right or am I right? Well, in this video, we'll try to sort your doubts to some level by talking about the top 6 countries for nurses, and the 5th one is totally unexpected and will leave you wanting to know more. We'll explore salaries and other benefits which will help you finalize your career destinations. So let's get started. So first up on our list is the very famous the USA. The United States is a dream destination for many nurses. The average salary for a registered nurse here is around $80,000 to $100,000 per year depending on the state. Now, benefits of working here as a nurse include: number 1, comprehensive health insurance; number 2, paid time off; number 3, opportunities for specialization and career advancements. Now, to become a nurse here, you need to clear the NCLEX RN exam. Next we have is Canada. Now, Canada offers nurses an average annual salary of 70,000 to 95,000 Canadian dollars. This country is known for its supportive work environment and work-life balance. The key benefits of working here include universal health care, paid parental leave, and permanent residency options for skilled professionals. So, if you value quality of life and a supportive system, Canada could be your top pick. However, the job market here can be a little complex to tackle right now. Now, next we have our personal favorite, Australia. Australia is another excellent option with average salaries ranging from 65,000 Australian dollars to 85,000 Australian dollars per year. Now, what makes Australia unique? Well, generous paid leaves, employer-sponsored visa options, access to world-class healthcare facilities, and easy registration processes for nurses. And plus, who wouldn't want to live in a country known for its great weather and lifestyle? Now, another amazing country for nurses is Switzerland. Switzerland stands out for its high salaries averaging 70,000 Swiss francs to 90,000 Swiss francs annually, but living costs are higher. Now, benefits of moving to Switzerland include excellent healthcare infrastructure, opportunities for professional growth, high standards of living as well. Now, the registration process, however, may be difficult, and language proficiency in German, French, or Italian is often required, so keep that in mind. Now, here's a surprise country, Denmark. Most of you won't know this, but Denmark offers a great work-life balance and salaries ranging from 330,000 Danish krone to 450,000 Danish krone per year. The other perks of working here include free or affordable childcare, pension benefits, a supportive work culture focused on well-being. However, nurses need to meet specific language requirements to work here, and thus you must learn about all of that first. Let's now talk about the easiest destination, the UAE. Well, in the UAE, nurses can earn between 8,000 dirham to 15,000 dirham per month, depending upon the experience and specializations. The key advantages of working here are tax-free income, accommodation and transportation allowances, and opportunities in cutting-edge healthcare facilities. So, if you are looking for a fast-paced environment and an international exposure, the UAE might be the place for you. Plus, you can easily register here. So, have you come to a conclusion? Which country is the best for your nursing career? Do share your views in the comment section. And if you want a personalized guidance on upscaling your nursing career, get in touch with Academically today. We can guide you about the best career pathways and how to achieve them. So, all you need to do is visit academically.com and fill out the form to get a call back from experts. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching our video. We hope it gave you all the information you need to succeed in your dream career. Take care, happy studies, and goodbye.